Hello guys, on the last lecture we discussed the series combination. Now we discuss today the parallel combination. There are two different cases when all the cells are identical and the each cell is different. So case first, when all the cells are identical. Let there are M cells connected in parallel. Let M cells are connected in parallel. Of each of EMF, E and internal resistance. And R. The effective resistance, the effective EMF due to all the cells is equal to one cell only. E effective is equal to E. But internal resistance are effective the net internal resistance of the combination. Combination is 1 upon R dash is equal to 1 upon R plus 1 upon R up to M times. Then 1 upon R dash equal to M upon R, or R dash is equal to R upon M. This is it. The net resistance of the circuit. The circuit. R dash is equal to R plus R dash, where R is the external resistance of the circuit, or R dash is the internal resistance of due to all the cells. Then R plus R upon M, or we can write M R plus R upon M. Then the current of the circuit is I equal to E upon M R plus R upon M, or M E upon M R plus R. Different cases. When case first, MR is greater than R. Then, or we can write, or R is greater than R upon M. Then equal to ME upon MR. It means E upon R. Cell will give, the combination of the cells will give only the current that is equal to one cell. So there is no any gain of the current to combine the cell in the parallel when MR is greater than R. I equal to the current of the current of the circuit is equal to one cell. Case second, R is greater than MR. Then I equal to M into E upon R. So current will be how many cells are connected in the circuit multiplied by the current of the one cell. So current of the circuit is equal to the product of the current due to one cell and number of cells. This is where all the cells are identical, but the cells are different. Case second, when the cells are different. In EMF and in internal response. Let two cells internal resistance are EMF E1, internal resistance R2 and EMF. Then connect it to a resistor R. In this case, voltage between these cells are equal, but current of the circuit divides I1 and I2. Let two cells of EMF E1 and E2, internal resistance R1 and R2 respectively. Connected in parallel. Then B equal to E1 minus I1 R. Current potential difference such. So I1 equal to E1 minus B upon R. Yes. And similarly, I2 equal to E1 E2 minus B upon R. Then here I is equal to I1 plus I2. Equation first, equation second and equation third. Putting value of I1 and I2 from equation second and third into equation first. From equation first, second and third. I equals E1 minus B upon R1, E2 minus B upon R2, or we can write it E1 upon R1 plus E2 upon R2 minus V upon R1 plus V upon R2, or we can write E1 upon R1 plus E2 upon R2, take B common, 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2. Or E1 R2 plus E2 R1 upon R1 R2 minus B R2 plus R1 upon R1 R2. This is equal to I. For the potential, V into R1 R2 upon R1 R2 equals to E1 R2 plus E2 R1 upon R1 R2 minus I. We shift this toward this and I toward this. Then V equals E1 R2 plus E2 R1 upon R1 R2 and I R1 R2 upon R1 plus R2. If we divide whole of this one, R1 plus R2 upon R1 minus R2, then this R1 R2 is cancelled by this one, and this R1 R2 goes here, and R1 plus R2 goes in the denominator. Then this is our fourth equation. Effective EMF is equal to E1 R2 plus E2 R1 upon R1 plus R2. And effective resistance, effective interresistance, effective interresistance is R equal to R1 R2 upon R1 plus R2. So this is all about when the two cells are different in EMF and the interresistance. Now we finish here our lecture. Okay.